tip video is about which brand of rubber gloves do I like the most. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. I have quite a few because I like to colour coordinate my gloves to what I'm wearing when I'm doing my videos, and I often get asked which is your favourite brand. So I'm about to reveal, drum roll please, the Queen of Gloves. And for me, the Regal gloves are, oh yeah, you've guessed it, Marigolds. I like Marigold because they're really good quality. When you pull them on like that, they don't rip. A lot of cheaper brands, they can sometimes rip when you pull at the cuffs. They're really thick, they have a good grip, and they're brilliant for doing all your household chores. So, don't forget, go for the Queen of Gloves, Marigolds. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in the next video.